Please click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to never miss any new video. Hey y'all, I'm Swathi. In this video, I'm going to show you all this cute and lovely heart braid hairstyle. This suits for any length of hair, medium or long. It's a very quick and fun 2-minute everyday hairstyle for school and college. So for this, all you have to know is how to do a regular 3-strand braid. Grab a chunk of hair on the crown area and divide it into 3 equal parts. And now do a regular 3-strand braid. Secure the braid with an elastic band. This is how our braid looks like currently. Pinch and pull out hair from each strand to make the braid look more voluminous. Repeat the same on the other side as well. Now pick up another chunk of hair at the same level towards the front, leaving around 2 inches in between. Divide it into 3 parts again and create another regular 3-strand braid. Secure it with another hair elastic band. Make sure that both the braids end at same level. Now grab the front braid, press it against the head and wrap it clockwise. Insert bobby pins to hold it in place. Use enough bobby pins to give it a good support. This forms one half of our heart. Do the exact same thing on the opposite side with the other braid, but this time wrap it counterclockwise. Use more bobby pins to hold the wrap in its place. This is what we are left with now. This completes the shape of our heart. Connect the ends together and tie with another elastic band. Finally, remove the 2 previous elastic bands and free the extra braided hair. That's it, our cute 2-minute heart hairstyle is all ready. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, comment down below, share this video with your friends and family and subscribe to Absolutely Creative.